Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know that our revision is going on and we are doing revision of chapter 7, that is understanding fraction. Today we are going to solve revision test 2. In revision test 2, I have given you mixed questions in which you will have your MCQ, multiple choice question, or choose the correct option, fill in the blanks, tables, definitions, and some figure based questions. Okay, so after this I will explain you all the question. I will show you all the questions and I will explain it also. So after uh, after your video will be over, after you will see this video, what you will do, I will send the same picture of revision test part 2 in your WhatsApp group, and from there you will, what you will do, you will uh, write the questions and then you will solve it, then you will send it to me for correction. So children, the questions which I have given in your revision test, they are, some questions are from chapter 2 also, so you have to do that questions also, and you have to write tables. You will not write only the answers for the table, you will write full table. Okay, as you are writing 15 ones are 15 or 14 ones are 14, so this way you will write the table, and also you will write all the questions which are given in the revision, and then you will solve it, and then you will write the answer. So children, if you will write the questions, then it will be easy for you to revise each and every questions very well. So you have to write the questions also, then you write the answers for that. Now children, take out your copies which you have made yesterday for revision, which I had said also to make the copy for only maths revision, so that you can do all the questions in that, है ना. So take out that copy and pencil or pen, keep close your copy, classwork copy and book also. Try to solve all the questions by yourself, so that in your exam it will be easy for you to solve the questions. So children, don't cheat. If you will have any problem, so you can ask me, and be ready now for your revision test. Now children, this is your math revision test 2. So some questions I have given you to solve here, and I will send you the picture of these questions on your WhatsApp group, and you will solve it there and send me the picture of your revision for correction. So first question is, choose the correct option. You can see here this figure is given, and it is half shaded and half unshaded. So this figure is the fraction, it is written, options are there A, B, C and 1 upon 5. Children, first of all I want to tell you, this 1 upon 5, this we will write 1 as numerator and 5 as denominator, and this is the sign of fraction. In your exam, post periodic exam, fractions can come like this, so don't get confused in that. This is fraction. The left side is numerator, upper part, and the right side is denominator, lower part. So this is 1 upon 5. Clear? I am explaining here. You please children learn it for your exam. Okay? Don't forget it that this is the fraction only. The first option is 1 upon 5. B option is 1 upon 2. C option is 2 upon 3. Next figure is drawn. Figure will be the mirror image. You have to tell the mirror image of this figure. So 3 options are given. You have to mark it that which one is correct. Question number 3. Dash fractions have the same value. First is equivalent fraction, improper fraction or unit fraction. So which one is correct? You tick on that. Fourth question is 5 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Again, this is the fraction only. 5 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7 is equal to. So options are given 8 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 7 upon 7. Fifth question is 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 is, you have to subtract it. So 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5 or 4 upon 5. This is the question of choose the correct option. Now second question is fill in the blanks. First is a part of a whole is known as dash. Clear? Second is fractions with numerator 1 is called a dash fraction. Third is 3/7 can be written as dash. Fourth is dash paise makes rupee 1. In 1 rupee, how many paise are there? You have to write it here. Fifth is rupees 64. 80 paise is equal to dash paise. So this is the questions of these are the question of fill in the blanks. Okay. Now third question is define the terms. Third question is define the terms proper fraction, improper fraction. Both the definition you have to write here, proper fraction and improper fraction. Fourth question is question number 4. Write tables of 15 and 17. 2 tables you have to write of 15 and 17 and write the full tables. Don't write only the answer. Write 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30 like this, and 17 ones are 17 like this you have to write. Okay. So don't write only answer, you have to write the full table. Then question number 5 is write the fraction for the shaded as well as the unshaded parts. In this, what you have to do, like exercise 7a, you have to write the fraction of shaded part as well as unshaded part. So your figures are drawn here. First is half is shaded, half is unshaded. This one is second figure and this one is third figure. You have to write shaded fraction, unshaded fraction as you have done in exercise 7a. Now your today's homework is, children, you have to prepare exercise 7b, okay, and definitions of unit fraction and mixed fraction. Okay, once again I am repeating homework. You have to practice exercise 7b and definitions of unit fraction and mixed fraction for tomorrow's revision. Okay, and you will prepare 7c also, exercise 7b and 7c. Okay. Now children, if you will have any problem regarding this revision test or any questions, you are facing any problem here, so you can ask me on WhatsApp group. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.